What exactly are VTubers? How are they created? Do they earn money? Many questions arise when you hear this new term. I embarked on a research journey to figure out the answers to all of these questions. Hello and welcome to the Tubix YouTube channel. I'm Jan Fassbender from So geht YouTube, and VTuber is short for virtual YouTuber. This is a new form of content creation where the YouTubers use virtual CGI computer generated avatars to represent themselves and to create content. It all started in 2011 when Japanese YouTuber Yamato Ami used a 3D generated avatar in her vlog. Many viewers were really interested in finding out how she created this avatar. But the video didn't have much success and got relatively few views, but it started a new industry. In 2016, Kizuna AI, or now AI Channel, started her YouTube channel, and she's considered to be the first VTuber by most people. At time of recording, she has 3 million subscribers and more than 400 million views on her YouTube channel. This shows how big this trend is, and today VTubers are part of the mainstream on YouTube. More so in East Asian countries such as South Korea, China or Japan itself. Although most VTubers speak Japanese, their channels are more and more targeted towards English-speaking audiences as this trend is reaching a more global audience. Some of the most popular VTubers are actually run by companies. As they are virtual avatars, there can be a whole team behind one of these VTubers. But what do they actually do in their videos? Well, videos of VTubers are pretty similar to videos from regular YouTubers. They play games in their videos, they host live streams, they participate in challenges, they collaborate with other YouTubers. But one big and very special thing about these VTubers is the creation of their own character. Most VTubers choose a specific personality and a way to talk to their audience. And this influences the type of content they create a lot. And this personality can be anything. They can be male or female, real or fictional. They can pretty much make up their own character, their own person that they are in their videos. Here's a description of Gorgura Persona, one of the most popular VTubers at the moment. All you really need to know about this airheaded Atlantean is summed up in her most famous clip, where she stands still with an open-mouthed grin for an uncomfortably long time, and then just says, "Ah." Next question, how are VTubers created and how can you create one? Well, of course, with computer programs. If you have an iPhone, you have probably at least once tried to create an emoji, these virtual faces that reflect how you look and your expressions. Well, VTuber programs work very similarly to this. First of all, you need to create your avatar. You need to create a 3D model that you can use. And one free program, for example, you can use to do this is Vroid Studio, where you have the options to customize your whole body, where you can customize the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the shape of the face, all of the colors and what you wear and so on. So you can really create your own avatar. But there are also free avatars that you can use online. You definitely need to check the rights that you really can use them. But I would recommend you to create your own avatar, because obviously a big part of VTubing is about creating the avatar and creating the persona. But of course, having the avatar is not enough. You need to make it move. And there is software that can use motion capturing to take your camera feed and make the avatar move. And one of these programs, for example, is VC Face. It's also free software that you can use. You need a screen recording software with it that can record your screen, because VC Studio only shows your avatar. But if you have a software such as OBS Studio, you can record your screen and then use this recording in your YouTube video. These are the basics of how to create an avatar. Of course, you can go in way more depth with this. Some VTubers even go a step further and also change their voices with special programs. How do VTubers earn money? Well, pretty much like all the other YouTubers as well. Sponsorship deals, donations, merchandise, advertising campaigns, and so on. If we're talking about the industry behind VTubers, we should also talk about Hololive Production, because Hololive Production is the biggest talent agency for VTubers and it has shaped the market of VTubing a lot. It's owned by a Japanese tech entertainment company called Cover Corporations, and as of 2021 it has more than 50 VTubers. Hololive is not a single creator but an agency, which means that creators who are featured on the main channel successfully completed a lot of interviews to join the agency, and in return they get massive promotional support from the company. The popularity of the VTuber concept grew exponentially after Hololive started, and even more after Hololive EN started. If you now want to become a VTuber, I have good and bad news for you. The good news first: VTubing is a massively growing trend, and while it can be challenging to start a YouTube channel from scratch, VTubing can differentiate you from all the other creators. The bad news are you need to put a lot of effort into building your character. VTubing is not only about the technical aspect, but also very much about the marketing side of things. What will your character be like? Which audience do you want to attract? What is your goal with VTubing? If you want, we're in the golden age of VTubers. There are thousands of potential channels and organizations trying to open up an audience for themselves. Is this trend going to die out? Probably not in the near future. In Japan, VTubers are not growing as fast as they used to, but especially internationally, VTubers are still very much on the rise. We can be pretty sure that they will establish themselves as a part of the YouTube ecosystem that is bound to stay. Do you follow any VTubers? Let me know in the comments down below, and we will see each other in the next video. That's it from me. Bye, your Jan.